Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
I mean, see one district, one factory, someone or Oda Kumado. Yeka. Who be here there? Yabashena, Yedi Hunkomwa, Obayam Faso, for that man. I mean, the many chill fiti na chassis. In fact, on my penny, Okoya, Okadani Diwo, Ekufi first day na Kasano. Midi Chimukro. Oda so before Midi Chimukro, in some more Kamete, Yakan Sama Besinde. But you see, Kwame, or Chishawaka there, one district, one factory, another in some kind of trade minister, not the Tuguan. Yeheni at the Commander Sugar Factory in Samana Kata. Ehia sama onam duty through Mambabunu Pina what to Tuaba across the country what the man another than Kwakufa. Kwame one district one factory aseme ofi baby ni ebe do my edrio. Tamana NDC wa be. NDC ye djuma na nado ochire de. Ono obotu wa ye djuma obruma NDC wo ye. No the nama ba man sisa ba ma djuma ba. Magana fu wenya humfaso na one district one factory semi obotoba kwame ze kwekuba kaya some of us said that one district one factory no nye feasible emma na komia den communication director ono kra bakade baby man do by near the same thing obahwe na waka district na bom no aye factory ko banana do insisted that be multibia no one district be abenya one factory.
But how possible is that?
Kwame ode bisa nanado.
It's not even practicable, is it?
Ode bisa nanado. Na Kwame, motinye de. Motinye de. Kwame motinye de. Messi, mami repeating ntasi. Tama nanado danko akufa do opposition na. Ode one district one factory to Jan. NDC yeba out yeba kada demand no can onye feasible. Ni communications director then nana akomia. Oba out bakade baby man no buy ni be the same factory oba obaya Kurintisa district A na B wo ye Kutua ye factory Ekutu or district A ye factory for Ekutu so or district B ni e baka wan bom na wetu mo feed the factory na do se debi
men kai de na do se debi ma me kai ne de
it's not about one good thing. It's not about my work. Ghana fu piwo o mai ma what it is I want
to contradict akomia. That's why you are saying
you can go. I would say good as such. Yes. Us there us why?
Because I mean
you
in
can
the
go
answer
and
this year government ankasa ko parliament. Actually there will be situations where some two districts can combine to do one factory, especially if the raw material base
one thing you are forgetting the Tamananado or promising no fa Hanzadi on fire the information. What are you talking about? So allow me to make
but I'm saying that you are behind. You are behind times.
It defeats what you are saying because I'm telling you Nipano promise and you are telling me about
Hanza. You are behind times. You are doing propaganda. The thing is moving.
Oh, respectfully, allow me to speak.
Sorry.
Kweku, before you come into office, that's okay, it's normal. Before you come into office, you must present a manifesto. That time, the opposition, who manifesto, no to Mumbai Hanzard or Parliament. Because in Tumukohonka one there, one GAE or House of Records won't fund to do. So, if somebody is behind time, or
Chief Yadom, your argument being?
Kwame, you see, Nanado Dankwa shed them born. Nyakupon chada na obey o manpen na oba dadam program yedi oye sebi aja bring back the flagship go si nenyo do a opedo ye odigi unemployment odifi baka ya yebenya akrachifo another graduates are form unemployed graduate association kwami dem nduma na azi nyina na dem promise ma mabunu onya regime de nduma biriba o manpen na do ba kunfino or there are so bobo form or crudo, but or can there onto mana August on Kone obey the 25th of August 2017. Onto ma 2017 in Kone and a 51 of the factories wash us. Yet the home common minister Bakare 79 I ready. Coordinator Danu Side I ready. Tinana Mayor there, Kweku say, Ose, figures be on fan to go. Kwame.
Chief.
You are behind times.
Mark and graphic a friend and report order in Yiminde. I'm fully convinced there. And some aban oba audible to go for one district, one factory. On your bush and I would do no whoop at the work and one some Ghana Funya regime there. We did the Mujuman was on there. Such a figure, Minister no the Tugua. I had today 181 of the one district, one factory. Or Yada Sebi, Onuna, Orokodra, Mantim, Okwa Proa, Ibuhu, Ibiwi. Out of that, Kwame, 129 or a new na 52 existing factories and other companies was support one. Kwame, that is another matter. Onye na do na banya abana wa ba fesa. Una wo ye juma se bi work on him aban also wanna say. We can go on and on about that. Na Kwame 129 ankasa work kind na mawodi Tugwan from Ashanti, Bunu East, Ahafo Central, Eastern, Accra, Northern Region, Northeast, Savannah, Ekabesi, friend and Western and Western Northern. But my figures are ankasa wodi Tugwan Ekambuma or 110. Na minyabuta na mekani na mekalculate ni nyina na mehede na say even at all you can 129 or new. Na minister no odi aba wo region biara baby ma wenya na ye kan nyina ye de boano a onsisidu onkafa figure na nanka so di tugwana anyem biara enwona wo di figure no man na sabi wedin dam hwamon anade opanyin nanka sa na asema a orkan na wo de sabi ye hwemiye kwame woye ye kaka na yakwa kofa da aba besi commander sugar factory. At least.
Are you suggesting that one district, one factory be a Juma?
Number factory na waste in new away no. We started the radio. We be a flow.
It won't be that's but that's on Juma.
Na Kwame 2.5 years abandon banners or beshel body. Your basic factory on employ graduate where a demonstration at the be Juma ni enya hon faso. Na 2 years no ye 5 to 6 months ni. Ye hu factory biara asabi. Washa si we monori ejuma na abana Rebecca saso a ontumi si bia o may hunde and them factory kra no 90% china ye commission ihwe online publications ade bia was offend Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ontoma every week or publish from the minister himself what grow go mo akwo Santumi Awodwe that's some of the two going. But Kwame, have you seen any? So when we be in a groupori ejuma ni enya regime there in Kainerba, you can tell me. And then I say, well, yeah, he was a 1 hour waste one factory that I was this car koshe womuna wa ejuma only one district one factory. And Kwame, when you do that, or a deceitful, same thing there. Nyimpa dodo na was one show mu there. Here she kwan able to ma ba be ejuma horo. Look, she district kwa pro na ko here. Ekunfi for instance. Say factory orokoda. Onye friend Nana bin Honkutina was factory no and would yabrube. Equa would yabrube wa rupi. And Tinyimpa do a would yam abrube when you let the major manaba obey home faso. Now a bano ababeke. Kwame, the man say me yenka. Obi moma waste factory. Na se factory no wakade warrior production no. Sorted then no at least ye hunde si training a beef in free maba. Ocheda ye to 2 years ma ye. Ye botum ye produce a citri wadam factory ni. Kwame aso man si ye penye ya. Neka say no onye de sebi adza otochima wo mo weba besi no hon na ye kan wasem. Ended that UTV. Wo show wo friend Bodwase Banchi factory. Wo hwe kwana wo ba fada wo sa ban. Da banimbo so ho ase na wontum wonye adwuma. Na mission some more kodu na mi team work kan with for one district one factory ho na impression abanede mahenda sebia wo pede wo sum no yenye mamabu no wonye adwuma ye na Kwame ofufo central na menyo kase yewra na nchamantin owo ho na Bodwase factory no wonye adwuma sentin de Kwame kai de PSI Banchiduan or na bredo no obey me kai de opedo original flag bearer akra yewra pia ofenen appeal for you or can't send be or the fan on the mountain. Kwame, enti senka banchi dua na opedo dua time then omampen kufo ho ne purpose in there yebotum ya ye no ayemfa so ye nya ni mu start ye nya ni mu ndoba pia ye benya enka nde sabi abana be the one district one factory be ma wadri tugwa ma ye hu mu a opedo wode boa companies are say be wo ho dada and new ones are wo ye onyi den ki nya dam publication na there efonyi na wo twa ma ye hwe no UTV nde dada say be anwo na wodua ayi
for your info Alancha Martin Banchi factory or the machines or the bed no potatoes na o process onya banchi
okay it's in this Yankopon adumpo no wa ba be
na asema eke
send me the price water for na Yankopon adum na so wa be m na a trade minister Kwame na one district one factory no nsema ye kanyina nyi na edwuma baba mo manfo wenye edwuma ni biaye onye se bi emi na mo watiti nsama na de mi na manu ye din na mi na makasa me de fi aban but kwana ye be fado adam boshe na aba no hye no wa ba enti Kwame me jiti there or your necessary baby aye we there sebi even se communal factory in some ho a abani wan kan chen there obutum aye adwuma na St. John Dramani mama enti sensam ho na aba na aba is it for us to come and discuss another abandoned hihye bogu na ye hu se bia na mono ruto obeye mfaso da ma he na se obi su na wa ye boni bia oye aban wa hwe na ya twena so Kwame enough
is enough
kasa na doso you see on kan kaye bibi ti there emi mi ndc nyinti me ba na mbetena wa nsem bi kura na onya na ma mpede mi pia na yin da me pede aba no e popular sabi factory no wosi na nkrofo kaye dwuma wo ma won twa obi ni party wo nanyim but what we are saying here in there and some na ho ankasa waka Ekweku I like the point you talk about the fact that you don't rush what the mean the first person how do you to know on this or your man paying ankasa na do dan kwakufado time order so bo form na nsama or tugwa and I have realized there them advice that we could do to go and wait say something there is a long time I'm telling ankasa or kase be order for one district one factory no papa me listen to any titi abanye there them publication you are about to offer Commander Sugar Factory or yada ye pedi ye sebi ye divert attention ye difi main one district one factory no don ye dama eyi mafande or yasam abano any responsibility.
Chief, quick one. Let me ask you a few questions. Obi has sent a message. Somebody you may know, also a friend of Kwame So. Also, please ask Chief Bani for me. 1. How long does it take to write a workable business plan? Since he's into business, you should know. 2. How long does it take to acquire land? 3. How long does it take to build a factory? 4. How long does it take to order factory machinery and installation? And 5, how long does it take to recruit and train factory workers before you get your factory running? Mind you, we're talking of over 200 factories. Kwame So in Accra.
Kwame,
and then remember, let me read a few others. Okay, answer.
Kwame, you see, Kwame So retire. Kwame, asema ametra America de menkande Nanado Danko Akufado. On my district in the factory no pay the miracle. Factory no was she biase and son and the worker will be hearing. Na sebi
today morning
I say na say a confidi other so bobo from now you telling me that President Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo no nyim there why them feasibilities in na no dey no that so bobo from. But why employ one day one money briefing they did not tell him anything, they just moved him there to go and cut the sword because of pedo cut the sword. No questions now Kwame So be saying by that time now across war because before a president moves to commission a project cut a sword for a project no Kwame now the questions you'll be saying now is been answered. Now what I'm saying is even if that one of my district sebi are from then baby my ababedri wa danedi ena honori yejuma yere kan ye bisan kan na wakana ye bakan de korori yejuma and
right menkomayim
kwa me mo wa de minja menyina ohia won na emom nyimpa na oreka ho asam na odo ye mfaso de mo ma no na ye hwe questions a ye bebisa nyimpa mo ye de sebi ono de bon no pe
let's move forward.